What's good, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, man. Hey, if y'all don't know me, man, my name is Kang. Alright, from Kang's Kicks. And you know what I'm saying? Before we get into the video, before we get into this unboxing right here, alright? Need y'all to do me a favor, one time for the one time. Hit that button for your boy. Alright? I'm coming with it, man. I'm trying to move as fast as the mail will allow me to. You know what I'm saying? I order it, they come in. You know what I mean? My last shoe that I ordered in, man, took forever to come. All right? We got a crispy pair right here. I hadn't hit on the sneakers app in I don't know how long, man. This was a good pickup right here, and I can't wait to see what they looking like, and I can't wait to show y'all. So, you know how we do this, man. Let's get them open, all right? One time for the one time. Cutters out. Ooh, don't want to hit the box, though. I think this box is going to be special. We do not want to hit the box on the unboxing, all right? Let's do this.
Jordan trying to fake Bird, can't do it. Hits the jumper, but Bird played pretty well defensively against Jordan there. Michael Jordan has 8 points and is the game.
Get them open. Okay. Turn these things around, man. Can y'all already see what's going on right here, right? Ooh. Bam. There we go. Get a good look at that. Yeah, let's get them out the box, man. I've been waiting. All right. Air Jordan 1. Zoom Craters. All right, what we got right here? Move to the zero, Nike's journey toward zero. Carbon zero waste to help protect the future of sport. All right, recycled. This is the first Jordan I'd never seen made out of recycled materials. So bam, you know what I'm saying? Move to zero. I know in looking at these, man, that they made out of recycled materials. I know. Polyesters, talking about recycled foam, water bottles. Ooh, man, look at that. Ooh, the canvas on these is hard. Look at the foam on them too, man. These things is hard, man. I hope that they fit. I really hope that they fit because I did have to grab an 11, man. I couldn't get no 12 or no 11 and a half because they was all sold out. So I had to double back on the app and grab an 11. So we're going to do something that I usually don't even do. I'm going to put these things on feet here, on my foot to see if they fit, man. And just put my feet in them. Look at that, man. That's hard. Like, can y'all see that? It's like a gun bottom. Like, I like these a lot, man. Like, look at the canvas up here. So I know this part at the bottom is recycled foam here. Zoom Air technology, though. All right. Got the Zoom Air in there, man. Let's get these things out. Let's get them out. Extra pair of laces on here. It look like infrared. It's not. It's like a bright infrared. Ooh, these is hard. Oh, okay. Let's look at the tips on the laces right here. So we got pink laces right here. The infrared on the laces too. Man, these things is hard, man. Y'all know how it is with the Jordan 1, man. One of the most popular numbers ever. Man. Man, let me see, man. Can I get my foot up in these things, man? I'm really hoping so. I'm really hoping that they fit. Ooh. They do fit, but they a little tight, though. I might not be able to keep these, man. I really hope that I can. If y'all need an 11, though, man, tap in with me and let's talk. All right? Let's talk about it. So I just let a whole design, just how they did that, just all together. You know what I mean? The zoom mirror on it. Can y'all see it? Get a good look up in there. Get a good look at the bottoms. You know, all around the shoe right there. I like how this part look like baseball stitching. Like that's hard to me. I think that's real clean. Let's get another look at the tongue right there. Wham. Wham, wham, wham. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All around, dope shoe. Very, 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 very dope shoe. Damn. All right, man. Y'all know how we do this, all right? Hit that button for your boy, man. Y'all want to see me keep coming, man. I keep dropping. I keep coming, bringing dope content. Y'all tap in with me on IG, all right? Free giveaway, you know what I'm saying? I'm showing love to my people too, man. Y'all got any questions, any comments y'all want to drop with me, you already know what to do, all right? Until next time.